Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can password protect a Google Drive folder. Now, quick note is this is a working solution, but it's not a perfect one. So by the end, you will see exactly how it works and you can decide if it's right for you. So first, open a Google Drive and find the folder you want to protect. For example, I will use this one, which is called Example Docs. But if you don't have a folder, make sure you make a new folder and put all your pictures or the files in that folder. Okay, now you have created a folder. You need to know that Google Drive doesn't have a built-in password option. So what you do is normally you can just share like this, and you can only just restrict access with permission but not with a password. So we will use just a simple workaround with Google Forms. So for that, click on New and then select Google Form. And here you have to just change a little bit of the option. So I'm going to give the title as Password Protect. Okay, now from here, I'm going to select short answer and I'm going to give this name, what is the password? And now you have to select this require and go to this three dot, then select this response validation. Now from here, select text and then the password that you want to set. Let's say 1pass123, and there was some they ask you for some custom error text, so I'm going to write try again. Now you have to go to settings and then scroll down, see this presentation section, click on this, and here you have to do is confirm the message. Select the edit and say your file is here, and now here you have to paste your folder. So just copy this folder link and just paste it right here. Okay, now I'm going to save it and I'm going to make sure I have published this. So anyone with the link can now see this drive, but they need to have a password to unlock the folder. So I'm going to click publish, and here you can just copy the responsive link. Now let's paste and see what happened. And see, this is asking for a password. Let's give the password that we have created. So now just click the link and that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and if this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.